I'm going to show you how you can use free text mining software called Voyant Tools to analyze a key set of documents that you have saved as PDF to find additional keywords that you may want to use in your search strategy. First of all, to access Voyant Tools, you can simply type Voyant Tools into Google. It's the first option that comes up. So this is a home screen of Voyant Tools. Now I want to find some key articles that I've saved as PDFs. I click on the Upload option and I navigate to where I've saved my PDFs. I highlight them, click on Open, and they take a couple of minutes, a couple of seconds to upload onto Voyant Tools. And you can see they're coming up here. So if I move this arrow over here, I can see a word cloud has been generated of all the key terms coming up in those PDFs that I've uploaded. The ones in the larger font are more frequently occurring terms. If I want to save this word cloud and look at it, I just click on the question mark and then the option of the square with the arrow through it. And I get the option to export a URL of this word cloud. And I can see the URL is up here at the top on my word cloud, and I can just click on the URL and copy and save it somewhere. So coming back to the screen, I can also have the choice to get a list of these terms and the order in which they most frequently occur. And I can see the list is here. Museums is the most frequently occurring term, and I can see it goes down in order of how frequently they occur. And I may want to choose some of the terms in this list to include in my search strategy. Again, if I want to export this list, I click on the square with the arrow and export a URL of this list. And the URL comes up here, and again I can just copy and paste the URL and look at it at a later stage.